Morning cooking.
Yes. Our recipe for today is longganisa with abu, with ash. Breakfast. Lami kaning breakfast nga na ay nindot nga view.
Dito na pikas din.
The best.
Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Keep smiling, keep shining,
knowing you can always count on me. For sure,
but sure.
that's what friends are for.
Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind?
Okay. Umanang kanta-kanta.
Mana-mana.
Nanay na hubog. Mga kids. Amo to kung kuhan. Be, suka ka. So, dili rami ni Mrs. sa gawas mag-tent. Ang mga bata diya sulod sa MUX. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow early morning. Para tanaw na tong sea of clouds.
Tagdilim ang hangin.
Drone.
Kaya para nga makitan man nun niya mga kadlaon. Basta
O ba? Okay. Bye. Thanks. Morning. Morning guys. It's oras right now.
4:45.
Almost 5. We're waiting for the sunrise. And grabe talaga guys. Ang lamig-lamig na talaga dito.
It's so bright.
And basta nga ni nagaling, this person is the go-to person for a cup of coffee. Partner William Asinero. Yes. So, nagulat mi na namin nakita nga Sea of Clouds. Karon tad palupad tag drone, ha? Gawin talaga namin to guys para makita ninyo kung gaano kaganda ang bukid no. Nice. Good morning guys! So kaway-kaway, Team Lakawan. Ako may team na mo eh. Kung na yung mga lakaw-lakawan mo ni. Team vlog na ni nga Lakawan eh. Muni siya ang mo explore sa inyong mga resort. Kuyaw ni nga Team Lakawan kay mo bayad me. Dili may kanaingon nga papalibre kay para mo atol na sa resort. Pagkita ko, tanawa, sweet kayo, tanawa. Mag-lips to lips, pag yun na, tanawa. Lips to lips, oh. Ew.
Family first. That's always been the goal. You want what's best for your family. Your journey to luxury starts today. Let the new Isuzu Mu-X take the lead. say it's not the destination, but the journey. Now, you can say the same. And the best journey takes you to the best destination. Priceless moments. Sometimes, life takes the most out of us, but we have to always come back to what matters the most. Enjoy more quality time with our ultimate family SUV, our most durable and safest SUV to date. The new Isuzu Mu-X. Take the lead.
Morning.
Yes. Our recipe for today is longganisa with abu. With ash. Lagi ang gustuhanan yun. Wala ni challenge pa magluto.
O yan yung recipe.
How many got that? Itlog.
Ito itlog.
Okay lang kuhan ba?
Sa isda, katong gagmay. Gagmay yun ito ni.
Mo ni challenge sa kanang abuan kay di makontrol ang kuhan man. Kalayo so. Kani mo ni ron may mo ning lasang longganisa. Init no.
Alright, it's eating time. Boss, thank you very much, boss, ha. Salamat sa imong kwan. So, pauman na ng breakfast. Medyo pasin na, medyo init-init naman sa Caribbean Peak. Thank you, Panyero.
Dalan sa kinabuhi.
Breakfast. Lami kaning breakfast nga na ay nindot nga view.
Dito na pikas din.
The best.
Ay okay po.
Nay, I love you.
Pinapay sa ba? Hinay sa ba?
Yeah.
Sir Wills. Ay nagkakawa dia.
Maghapon man ito ba?
Okay. Ato na mi. Init na. We have to go. Thank you guys. Thank you. Caribbean Peak, Campo de Port. Thank you.
Going down the...
Off-road.
Uy, tengog siya. Nag-iigang sa likod.
Sama ka sa sunlight.
Picture na.